morning, guys. Day 2 of summer vacation. We just got to Metro, which is a local grocery store, and got coffee. We're just picking up stuff for groceries to set up for our mom's birthday tonight. We gotta make the cake, we gotta make the salads. There's so much to do. Stay tuned. We're all back from grocery shopping this morning. We have not gotten ready. We have these beautiful hydrangeas. And today is like Canada Day celebration and just also kind of celebrating my mom's birthday. We're putting up lots of flags. That's Andrew. It is a chilly day actually. The water is pretty rough. Walter's playing outside, but he's being very needy. Yes, you are. You just want to be with me the whole time and play. We are cleaning the chairs. It's kind of like we're doing all the work for the summer now. We have a big Canadian flag, and look at these cute little balls that apparently light up at night. And we have lights. It's gonna look so nice. Perfect day. Hi, Portia. What are you doing? Are you happy? So let's keep working. Get to work, Andrew. How excited are you to be here?
I'm super excited.
What, are you coming to the sandbanks with us?
It all depends about the car situation.
Oh, gotcha. We are just I can do it. Making, well, Natalie's making lunch
For everyone, not
for everyone.
Not me. I saw the pig.
So we have the pig roasting in the backyard. Well, in the back. I refuse to look at it. I don't, because it looks like Walter. It looks like a skinless Walter.
Yeah.
I feel so sad for it. I'm making some corn casserole in a crock pot, so hopefully it turns out. And we're kind of waiting for the wind to die down before we... It's supposed to be hot today. It was. This wind just came out of nowhere. It's literally, I had a really cute outfit picked out. I was going to wear my grad outfit, and now I'm not. Because, well, I don't think so. It's too cold. What are you wearing?
I have a black dress that ties up right here, and then I was just gonna wear that, but I brought a jean jacket over top of it.
Oh, see, I should have brought a jean jacket. I didn't bring any jacket except for sweaters. Wonderful. This is my corn casserole, but it's not cooking the way that I like it. What? We are so patriotic. We're patriotic. Hey, don't make fun of me.
It's like going to the prison
All the Canadian flags.
Sorry.
Everyone's getting ready now. I don't exactly know what I'm gonna do with my hair. Just gonna start. Are you contemplating life? Hi, Wally. The wind keeps like picking up. How's it going, sister?
Going great.
We're we're waiting now for everyone to arrive. We're ready. This is like the earliest party we've ever been ready for. Don't you think?
Yeah, it's been nice to be organized.
Yeah, we've been very organized. Walter is over there relaxing. We're just waiting still for the tablecloths. And then we will put the flowers out. My hair looks cuter. I think it's the wind. We'll put the flowers out and I guess the rest of the stuff. Amy Lee doesn't like pork, so she is making, what are you making, sister?
I'm making chicken souvlaki.
Chicken souvlaki. 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 Sir, you're so funny. You're so cute. Look at your tooth. Look at your snaggle tooth. What's going on? Are you tired? Oh, you're tired. Why don't you go have a nap inside? How's it going?
That was weird. I don't know why I did that.
Are you guys excited?
Yeah.
Good July 1st week, except the weather's been kind of stinky
It's
today.
about time. We wait all year for this.
I know. Now we'll have the memories.
This is the second best part of the year.
Right, Christmas, then this.
Christmas is number 1.
That's what I
Then
always
July
say.
is number 2.
Okay, let's go.
A few inches later.
What are you guys playing?
Resistance.
Who is,
I'm Aaron.
who's the resistance?
Well, Jordan's the spy, Claire's the spy, and Lily's the spy. One of them are
So when
spy.
DeRozan got
I think
created,
Claire
that
might be
wasn't
a
his
spy.
choice, right?
Are you guys waiting for Nat?
I'm not the spy.
Everybody that's cave.
Well, that's what you would
And
say
yeah,
because
and
you
I-
are the spy. Who was the
I knew you
Were you, Claire, Hopper, what were you?
I was a good person, resistant.
Who else was a spy?
I was resistant.
What was Jordan?
Claire was a spy. Walter, what are you? Are you a spy? Are you a spy? What were you? Were you a spy? Walter, were you the good guy?
Yeah, in my opinion.
I'm just out here doing some crafts. I'm trying to make the part 2, like the Minnie ears and Mickey ears for Andrew and I tomorrow. I also got, it's so bright, I also got this like little hair piece. So I'm just waiting for these to dry, and then I'm going to try and cut out something for the hairband and use super glue on them. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
I'm gonna need your help getting it past this a little bit.
Well, thank you. I'm out on the lake. The dinner is pretty much over. Everyone's just kind of hanging out. Natalie and Jordan are fishing. My cousins are playing inside. And we're just playing games. I thought I'd take the kayak out because it was such a nice night. And this is the first time I'm on the water. It's beautiful. It's kind of a really nice and relaxing way to end. I'm kind of like, look, this is giving me a double chin. Today was a really cold day, but it's ending up being so beautiful. I wonder how far I can get it. I might try to go a little bit farther out. Hi, Natalie.